It is once again time for the Line You with the Aries Premier Attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Brian Corcoran. It's nice to have you both here today.
It's good to be here, my friend.
Man with the bow tie.
That's what they say.
That's what they say.
Well, you know, man with a bow tie, I'm glad that you're here.
I'm sad that you're not wearing a bow tie today.
Maybe I will be wearing one tomorrow. Let's
do
get
it.
to our question, though. Patrick in Dallas may be having a bow tie on. He says he was hit by a drunk driver who left a local bar. Can I sue that bar?
Yes, Patrick, you can sue the bar, but it depends upon whether the person was visibly intoxicated when they left the bar. So that's your burden of proof. But I will also say, not only could you sue the bar, obviously you could sue the driver, and if he doesn't have enough insurance, you can file a claim against your own insurance company for underinsurance. So there's a couple different avenues. You need a lawyer to talk it over with you to find out the proper way to proceed.
Yeah, he's got a lot going on. I think, you know, the advice is very good that Brian just gave. You have a lot of options, and it gets a little complicated. So I think if you're, you know, the good news is you've reached out. I think we need to get together on a phone consultation so we can explain all your rights. Those consultations are free. But remember, not all bars are required to have insurance. I know you're going to find that hard to believe. That is true. And I think that's something the Pennsylvania legislature needs to address at some point, because you would think they're purveyors of alcohol. That means they're selling alcohol, and they don't have to have insurance. Think about that thought process. So unfortunately, sometimes we can't get to the bars because they set up these corporations and they're very hard to get to. So hopefully the legislators are listening. Please think about doing that, because it does protect the people of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. It's very important.
Yeah, remember, results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli. If you wanted your question answered, all you have to do is visit the website or give that hotline right there on your screen a call.